Just want to give you guys a taste of what's to come. This is the Vinci 3D printer. Sorry it went out of focus a little bit there. And you'll see here under Info, the hour meter has been reset. System version is 1.1.Q, which of course has never been officially released because it doesn't exist until tonight. Cartridge stats are up there as you see. But more importantly, I've installed a Toshiba FlashAir card and modified the software so that it no longer builds samples. Instead, I build what's been uploaded. Hope you've enjoyed this taste.